First, go into the machine parameters, then find the Options menu. In the operation screen, click on Request Authorization. For example, this unit requires 2D support, which is OPW 2D operation. Then you need to input this specified authorization code. After inputting, it's best to double-check, press Enter, and it will prompt that the file will be exported to the USB driver. Insert the USB driver, then unplug it after the process and take it to your computer. Plug it into the computer and navigate to the official Delem website. Go to the Delem certificate service area and open the USB driver. Find the 2D file, press Ctrl-A to select all and Ctrl-C to copy. Press Ctrl-V to paste it into the website text box and then click Submit. It means registration is successful. Delete the old text and copy the new code generated by the website. Ctrl-V to paste the new code into the file, save and close. Unplug the USB driver. Plug it back into the Delem system. Click Import Certificate and select 2D file on the USB. It will prompt that the license is successful. Click OK. The system needs to restart. After restarting, go to Options. The checkmark indicates that the authorization is now active.